If you're fortunate to have somebody in your life that's going to massage your feet all the time, good for you. I don't have that, and most people don't have that, which is why you get this. This foot massager by Comfytemp is actually the closest foot massager to the human hand that I have ever used. Now, the brand did send this to me, and really that is the thing that I'm looking for the most, is how closely can it resemble human touch. So this is a pressure foot massager. It's not a percussion massager or a vibrating massager. This squeezes your feet, and I'm telling you, it feels really close to when somebody squeezes my foot, which feels absolutely amazing. But let me show you how this works. So here is the side of it. They're also going to give you an app with this. You can operate this from the app. You can also operate it manually right here. You don't have to have the app, but it does help. It does unlock a couple more features for you. This is what it looks like, and there's little air bags in here that are going to expand and create that pressure on your foot. Okay, so it is on. Just to give you an idea, you can see how it's filling up with air. So you have an airbag right here, you got an airbag here, you have a little bit of an airbag here, and then you have one here. Very simply, all you're gonna do is Velcro your foot into the massager. It's not complicated. There we go. Just takes a couple of seconds to put on. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it on mode 3. Mode 3 is gonna activate all of the airbags at the exact same time. We're gonna put pressure. There's a low, medium, and high pressure setting. We're gonna put it on high pressure. I'm like that. I want maximum squeezability on the foot. I'm a big believer in compression, and that is what this is. It is short-term compression. You're getting that squeezing. It's promoting circulation. It feels really good. If you get a second one of these, you can go ahead and sync it up to the app and control both of them from the one app. If you're fortunate to have somebody in your life that's going to massage your feet all the time, good for you. I don't have that, and most people don't have that, which is why you get this. So this is the Comfytemp foot massager. Definitely check this out. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.